watching this, I'm probably dead.
lay like against it, but like, you know?
Yeah, I got you.
Hey, tell him, lick the tire on your way by. That's it. That's it. Don't move. No, you gotta hit it, bruh. Can you make it? Can you make it? Bruh, I don't know, bruh. Wait.
Hey, I got an idea. Hey, stick your head up here. I'm gonna bonk your head off.
I'm gonna bonk your head off. Okay.
Look.
Yeah, keep your head there. He'll bonk off your helmet.
Yeah.
That'd be funny.
Watch how low you have to get. Just like get
All right.
Get out of the way.
No, lay down. Lay down.
No.
You got it. You got it. Just do it.
No.
So you gotta send it, bro.
Hey, if I
Okay,
die,
but I need him to move. Like I need him to like.
if you're watching this, I'm probably dead.
If you're watching.
It's at home. Cause we're at our grandparents' house. This ain't home.
Yeah.
All right,
here we go.
Watch. I'll show you how you gotta lay. All right.
All right.
Lay like this. All right.
Yeah, it's a little harder.
lay like against it, but like, you know.
Yeah, I got you.
Hey, tell him, lick the tire on your way by.
All right, yeah, lick the tire on the way up.
All right.
On the way down.
Lay like a 2-year-old.
Yeah. I don't know what that is. I mean, this might be a better spot. Yeah.
No. This is cooler. Get it.
I mean, that might be it. But
Send it.
that's how he's gonna die.
Look,
this,
you can hold your helmet. Hey, keep your hand up there. He'll miss your hand.
Oh,
Yeah. Grab that. Look, there you go. Right there. That's it. That's the look. That's it. That's it. Don't move. No, you gotta hit it, bruh. You gotta send it, bruh. Send it.
I'm not doing it yet.
Can you make it? Bruh, I don't know, bruh. I don't know. I'm getting kind of nervous, bruh.
Yeah, I'm a bit nervous, boy. Hit it.
Oh yeah, stick your tongue out. Hey, bring your arm in.
Yeah. Keep your arm in.
No, you're gonna have to bring it down though.
Keep your arm in.
Look, that's too high. Look, put your arm like under you like that. No, stay there.
Not that arm. That arm is good.
That arm needs to go under you.
All right, here we go.
Yeah.
Noah, you gotta clear it, bruh.
Please.
You gotta clear it, Noah. Get tight.
That's what I'm doing, Dad.
Get tight.
Oh my God!
Oh my God! Are you kidding me?
Yeah. Yo, I felt the tire go over me.
Did it hit you?
Yes.
It rode over you?
Yes.
Are you kidding me right now?
I got the shot. Hey, run up and just like jump and hit. You ready?
Yeah. Just close my eyes. Nothing's gonna happen. Oh my God!
Oh.
Again? How? First with the 1 wheel, second with the 9-bot? How?
That's 2. Some people think we ain't going big enough. How about now?
You build up to it. You're gonna break your board. You feel like it's dangerous.
Hey guys, if you like those videos, remember to like, subscribe, comment, we read them all. Remember, share, do everything, man. See y'all later, peace.
Don't try that out.
No, you forgot to say, don't try that at home.
I did say it before I did it. Before I did it, I said don't try this at home. But we're at our grandparents' house, so it don't count. I did say that.
You still filming?
Keep it rolling. Boom! Trick. I don't really have a plan on that.